In this video tutorial, you'll learn about how to redirect users to a specific page after the form submission in WordPress. As you can see, this is my WordPress website. Scrolling down a little on this page, you can find this contact form. I've created this form using the WP Forms plugin. Now, I want users to be redirected to this page after submitting this form successfully. In order to do so, let's move back to the WordPress admin dashboard. Hover over WP Forms and go to All Forms. Simply edit the respective form here. You can see the form builder area here. For redirects, simply go to Settings, click on the Confirmations tab, and instead of the message as the confirmation type, select Go to URL. Simply enter the specific page URL here to which you want to redirect users. And once you're done, simply click on Save. Let's move back and check the changes in action. Refresh the page, and let's make a test entry here. Fill in all the required fields here, and once done, click on the Submit button. You can see that we got redirected to this page here. And this is how easy it is to redirect users to a specific page after a form submission in WordPress. In case you want to learn how to redirect all 404 pages to the home page, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link that in the description, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.